Your voice, your opinion, your community. Fact TV, free speech, protected.
Today, his name is Jay, and I'm so proud of him for doing the Special Olympics this the weekend before. Sorry, no, last weekend. Sorry. I just want to say congratulations on your medal for support. Betsy.
Betsy, yes.
I want to say that other people did a good job, like Vicky Danihill, Adam Buffum, Autumn, Becky May, as we know her, and other outfits out there also did a good job. My friend Kimmy and Tommy did a good job. And yeah, it went very good. Anything you want to say?
Sure. I got a first place medal in the basketball.
That's it.
And I want to thank the Parks and Works Center for driving us down and up to Keene again for the Special Olympics Summer Games. Yes, we did have open ceremonies Friday night.
Of course.
And the dance Friday night as well. And a lot of the police department and fire department.
What thing a lot? No, I'm just kidding.
I want to thank them very much. And one more thing. I want to thank Mike Saucy.
One of a kind.
And Peter Tanney for making this happen this year.
Here we go.
Back to Ryan.
Thank you. I just want to talk about what's happening and so forth and so on. I guess there's how can I put this? There's like a wildfire in Canada, and it goes all the way to New York, and it's been going on for almost a week now, and it's like smoke and other stuff like that because of the dry weather also we've been having. I wonder if that caused the smoke in Canada. And I guess people out there need to fix that. Because they can't go on for it can't keep on going on and on and on. And we all know that. And everyone out there knows that the smoke thing, the wildfire per se, the wildfire out in Canada, it's not good for like people who goes outside, goes for walks, and all that. And yeah, that's what's going on. Okay, and all people out there, even people in Florida, are very weird, are very worried about that because it can do some damage. You see, so yeah, that's what's going on, and I guess it's trying to stop. It's like this. I hate to talk about this, but this like the COVID thing we happy for I don't know 3.5 years was insane, and now the good part is like almost everyone can do what they can do before, like do like events like the Special Olympics in Durham, go on the beach, go anywhere, and do all that too. I was seeing this wildfire up in New York City, and it's totally ridiculous to see that going on. You know, it's like all this and all that. What's most of the time we cannot control. It's like the weather. Like we cannot control it, but it is like I was talking about Frank Miguel. I was talking about Frank Miguel. We can control the weather. And it is what it is. We get what we get. That's why I'm very, very thankful that we are still alive and well. And I'm also thankful that I have a very nice job, and my brother has a very nice job, and all that. And so yeah, that's what's going on. And also, yep. So I just wanted to say that I hope this smoke in the wildfire can be fixed, so people now have to keep on doing with that. Thank you. Is there anything you want to say?
Yeah, if it's okay. I want to say a prayer to Lisa's dad.
Bonnie Molly. Oops.
Bonnie Moody, yes.
Did I say that on TV? Whoops.
And I hope it's okay.
What happened to him? I'm just wondering. Oh, okay.
Yeah. He had
What I had?
surgery.
Oh.
And all we can do is say prayers to say he's okay. And I want to thank Scott Stone and Lisa Moody and Becky May for the and Body for participating in Bocce for the special Olympics this year.
Now Becky May is gonna be like, what? You talk about what on your show today?
And that's fine too.
Oh, thank you. So yeah, well, I just want to say thank you for saying that
Anytime.
to my friends. So yeah, if people don't know who Becky May is, which most people do, she's a friend of ours. I had her on my show before, and she also talked about church, what's to say, and what church she goes to, and what she does for a living. And she does a wonderful job in saying all those wonderful things. I'm so proud of my friend Becky May for being my friend. I want to put a shout out for thank you for being my friend. And my brother too. Becky May, thank you for being his friend too. I hope it can continue. And yeah, I get lots and lots of like feedback from our show. I probably might get feedback today for talking about like think the wildfire up down up in Canada, that I guess what happened was this wildfire in Canada was doing this like spreading around with lots and lots of smoke, and it went all the way to New York. And yeah, and even some parts of New Hampshire. And also that it was very, very intense. Like, so I want to put a big, huge shout out to the people who's on the news, who's taking care of this wildfire in Canada. I want to put a big, huge thank you for trying to fix it up so people can be outside and doing the clean, fresh air and not worrying about breathing the smoke into them. I would say thank you for that. And yes, the weather, it's gonna be cloudy today, highs in the 60s, and chance of showers here and there. A 60% chance. Then tomorrow, then maybe a 50% chance of showers. Oh man. And yeah, but cloudy. Then the weekend, hopefully it's gonna turn out to be sunny, warming up a little bit. And I want to say that's my weather forecast for today. I want to say thank you, Jay, for coming on my show today. I hope you like it. Now I'm just gonna quickly just wrap this up and say I'm very, very proud of my brother for coming in first place for the Special Olympics this past weekend. I want to say thank you. I'm so very proud of him. And I hope people can hear what I talked about today on the show. And I want to put out to other news. Thank you for trying to fix this for Canada. I want to say thank you, and I hope you all enjoy this wonderful show, and also have a wonderful weekend, and enjoy the wonderful weekend. I'll see you all next week, same time, same station. Thank you.
And be safe.
And be safe out there. That's right. Thank you.
Bye.